Hello and welcome back. So this is our ChemSketch Start Up. You will find here many menu compounds and toolbars button. It will appear dim as it is inactive and they will be made available as soon as you draw a structure. So in ChemSketch window, there are two modes. We have the structure mode and we also have the draw mode. So you could switch between the two. In the structure mode, you do structures and reaction schemes, while in the draw mode, this would present you with tools for entering text and drawing various graphical objects. So there are different toolbars we could see in the structure mode. So we have our menu bar at the top, then we have our general toolbar, and we have here the structure toolbar, so which is important in drawing your structures. So this would contain tools for drawing and manipulating chemical structures. We also have here at the left side the atoms toolbar. So it is displayed vertically to the left of your screen and contain button that represents the different atoms, as well as some tools for changing the atom's properties. So you simply click on an atom if you wish to display its structure, okay? And if it doesn't appear here, the atom that you like, you could go to the periodic table and there you could search for your favorite atom. Say, for example, we wish to look for lithium. So there, you would see the properties of lithium. And after you click OK, you would see lithium to appear in addition to your atoms toolbar. So we have here also at the other end would be your reference toolbar. So what do we have in the reference toolbar? So this would contain the table of radicals and various buttons representing ready-made structures and radicals you could take from the table. So the entire white space here is what we call as the workspace. And below the workspace would be your color palette. So this would allow you to quickly color your atoms and bonds in the selected chemical structures.